In front of me is Nubia Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access features. Then hit one-handed mode and use this switcher to switch it off or on. If you decided to enable it, you can also use one of those options to decide if you wish to use your screen as a small window or half screen. Then follow all of those instructions to enter it. I will go with trick navigation because this is my navigation method, so all I need to do is hold the back button. Now to go back, click on this dark area at the top and and if you are using small window, click on this area over here. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!